Let's fix this. I really want to be more productive and efficient with my work, so I decided that I would create a very cute workspace for myself. I can't believe that even after 6 years of doing photography, I still work only on my laptop. I only had a week to put everything together. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. One of the first things I did was to put my desk together. So I bought my desk as soon as I moved in because that was definitely the first thing that I needed. I had been editing in my bed for way too long. So this is me putting my desk together. It was my first time putting together any sort of furniture, to be honest. So I'm pretty proud of myself and I think I did really well. I then just had my desk for a couple of months because I was so swamped with work until recently when I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it done. The next thing I got was my monitor. So this was the day that I went to pick up my monitor. I also got lots of other deliveries, so I'm just gonna unbox everything. I love unboxing things. If someone could pay me to unboxing, honestly, I would take that job. So freaking cute! The books. So I'm gonna put them here. Yo! Let me just zoom in for y'all so you can see what it looks like. I'm obsessed with how these look. Oh, this is one of the cutest things ever. Cute. I'm literally obsessed with this. I can't wait to put it up on my shelf. Let me turn this off so you can see quickly. So cute. Off, on, off. So pretty. And it's so sturdy. It looks like it's really good quality as well. No, how cute is it? Okay, so this is the laptop stand. But yeah, you can spin it as well. That is cool. That's a cool feature. So open this pin. So it just sits like that, and also it spins around as well, which is really cool. I'm gonna have it straight like this, but then I'll be able to obviously turn it. Another good purchase from Amazon. Yay, Amazon. Yeah, so today is monitor day. I'm gonna put together my monitor. This is my monitor right there.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me?
So I'm just putting Pop the Balloon Show on.
So you get down on one knee because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us?
Okay, so now we have cables to sort out. This is what my desk is looking like right now. I am a little embarrassed. Let's fix this. I don't know who sent me, but we go again. So today we're gonna be putting up the shelf. This is where the shelf is gonna go. Yo, this manual is like 7 pages. It looks like a shelf. It's coming together, y'all. I'm done, you guys. Look at my shelf. The thing is too good. It looks exactly how I thought it would look. Yay. Okay, let's put it where it's supposed to be. This is not even my book. I need to return this to you now. Okay, I've decided this is where I'm gonna stop for this evening. Up here, I think I'm happy with like the first half of everything. I think this part looks pretty cute and it's probably gonna stay like this. So yeah, I think that's pretty cute. Look at that. I think the next little thing that I want to do is to put some LEDs at the back of my desk. I just want it to go kind of around the perimeter of the desk. Do not want anything in the front part because I just think that'll look too weird. But maybe the sides and definitely the back of the desk. Ooh. Okay, hold on. I think the first thing is I need to stop it from flashing like this. This looks like a big fat mess. Definitely don't like what this part looks like, so I'm definitely not going to put it on the sides. Just going to cut it and hopefully... Wait, let me just turn it off a second. Okay, I'm going to cut it and just hope for the best. So currently this is the cable situation. I'm going to do a bit of trunking, but my trunking, whatever you call that thing, hasn't arrived yet. So until it arrives, which I hope it arrives tomorrow, I'm gonna just use some cable ties to put things together. So like I'm just gonna put it together and then duck it in here. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Here just looks ridiculous. Like, obviously this is for the LEDs, so it's always gonna look like this. I don't think there's much I can do about that. I'm probably gonna just have things to block it. But this part, where just all the HDMI bits that connect to my monitor, and so there's the HDMI and then there's the USB-C which charges it. Yeah, I need to fix that. So I'm just gonna use these little clip things to fix it. Okay, so this is how it looks for now. So those clips, even though I only use 2 of them and there's like 40 in the pack, are really helpful. So I have used one of the clips here just to keep the HDMI cable, which is super long, just to keep it there, and I've just put it at the back of my monitor so it hides the excess cable. And then I've also put one on my desk here, which again just like keeps it intact. And what's really good is that you can still kind of I can still move my laptop where I want it to be, because the cables just move in and out of these clips. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish off cable management and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Bye. Nice being nice, look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner and it's so wide. One time I need to hold a corner.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you